Hello, welcome into this Divine Connection reading. I hope it finds you good and well. It's collective energy, it's not personal, so take what resonates and leave the rest. If this doesn't sound like your story, then don't make it fit. Okay, so let's see, what do we need to know? What is the Divine Connection collective energy? What do we need to know, please? Peace. Look at that. Number 30, 37. Silence, 44. So know you're protected here. Peace and silence. So all is calm. So I'm getting that. I'm actually like getting a Christmassy thing to this. Like no like Silent Night, the carol. All is calm, all is well. There's a thing to that about it. Whoa, hold on a tick. After chasing that. Beginnings. So there's a new beginning here at number 7. So it kind of feels that this could be the calm after the storm. This could be the calm after the storm here, but I guess get this, all is calm, all is well. Radiance. Phoenix rising from the fire here, 42. What's this? Simplicity, 45. And strength here, 46. So a lot of 4s here. A lot of 4s. Peace, 37. Silence, 44. Beginnings, 7. Radiance, 42. Simplicity, 45. And strength, 46. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 4s here. So this is a very protected reading here. It very much gives me like the calm after the storm. It's like we've had a storm here and now we're like on to a new beginning. Peace, silence, beginnings, radiance, simplicity, and strength. The letter S may be significant. Silence, simplicity, or strength here. So initials, first, middle, last name, locations as well. Take it as it resonates. There's something here. Let's get a couple of these. What do we need to know in this divine connection? Sacred desire, number 4, another 4. Sacred desire. Bliss, 22, another master number. With 44, now we have 22 here. What's this? Recognition, 17. Abandonment, number 7. Acceptance, 10. And soul is underneath that, 27. A persona, look. Somebody's taken their mask off. Somebody has had to face their shadow here. So somebody has had to face their shadow. This is either you or your divine counterpart. It almost feels here in the stillness, I get the truth. In stillness, I get the truth. That's what it feels like here. Or someone gets the truth in stillness. When it's calm. So whether it's like nighttime, at nighttime here, somebody sees the truth about something. There's a feeling of abandonment issues here. And acceptance. If somebody's starting to accept, take accountability here. Let me give a couple of these. What's the situation here? Attraction. You're attracting the right person at the right time into your life. What else about this situation? Whoever this person is may be very attracted to you physically. Alone time. Spend some time alone. It will help you gain clarity on your relationship. There's something here. Somebody's like, it almost feels like somebody's on time out. There's been like some type of storm, rocky ground here, and somebody is now like in reflection, doorway. An opportunity is about to present itself that leads you to a new person. That's twice now we've talked about somebody entering your life here. Romance. Romantic surprises are on the horizon. Be open to them. So this is either a past person, sparks. What's this? Keep the sparks flying. Surprise each other with gestures of love. Somebody definitely, there's a strong physical attraction here. Somebody has a strong physical attraction to you. There's an emphasis here on new, someone new here, but there may be somebody from the past as well. So we'll see here what, because I kind of get a couple of different things going on. I kind of get like a peaceful movement forward, but I also get this sense of like somebody's like battling demons here. So let's see what's going on. What does the collective need to know here? What does the collective need to know? Justice. Okay. What else does the collective need to know? What is the divine connection? Ace of Cups. Seven of Cups in reverse. If you were connected to somebody in the past and they treated you as an option, I kind of feel this is like you've dealt with a twin flame and left that situation, and there may be a soulmate entering your life here now. You're attracting the right person at the right time into your life. And I feel this twin flame is battling demons here. And it's like King of Wands, maybe around passion here. Because there is like a lot of like attraction feeling here. It may be this past person may have something like some type of an addiction or something. Like a passionate addiction here. And it's like justice is being served now because you have done healing work here and you're ready for love. And this twin flame isn't ready. They haven't went through what they need to go through here. Knight of Swords. They may be an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra, or fire, Aries, Leo, Sag, or have those two highly aspected here. But they're coming in here as night energy. Do you know what I mean? 10 of Cups. Like wanting some sort of like 10 of Cups, kind of like. Hold on. Back, the sun's here too. It's like this person from the past is now seeing you as this. Whatever they have been going through here, there's like some lessons, but it's like I feel there's going to be a choice here. And I really still don't feel that it's this Six of Pentacles in reverse, Eight of Cups in reverse. It's like you walked away from this person because there was no equal give and take. And they're wanting to return, but there's no massive change in their energy here. Like they're still not able to give you. There's something else they need to work on here. Six of Cups. Faded Time. There's a soulmate coming in. There's a new soulmate coming in. This twin flame. They may be going through the dark night of the soul here at the minute, but there's a lot they need to work on. Judgment in reverse. There's a lot they still need to work on here. Empress. It's like you have done your healing work. You're coming in here as the Empress. So you're ready now to move on with a romantic relationship, with a loving relationship here. They're not. So I feel there's a soulmate coming in. Wish fulfillment. There's somebody else going to show up. Ace of Swords in reverse. It's like this past person's still not taking accountability. They're not being honest here. So abandonment was here. There's something around that. So I feel there's something around like commitment issues or something here. There's something around lust as well. There's an issue with that. Four of Cups. Like I get this sulky feeling. Like they're just sitting here sulking. Page of Pentacles. And there's nothing to offer. I don't even feel like any type of accountability. This person's coming back in again. I don't know, like I feel lustful feelings for you. So I don't know what's going on in their life, whether they've like had some major bust up with somebody. They're now left sitting on their own and they're thinking, oh, I'll contact um my past person here and we'll hook up again. But it's like on a physical way, not as in anything serious here. And you're kind of like, hangman, like they're still stuck wherever they are. Like I don't feel this person's moved on at all. There's been no sort of like King of Pentacles, Queen of Wands. There's a lot of attraction here for you, especially at night. Like a lot of attraction. 10 Swords. But like it's, yes, I mean, they are a counterpart here. Devils here. Emperor. But like, I mean, we're a long, long, long way off. Like this is the fast difference here from the twin flame energy to the soulmate energy. Like we are vastly different people here. It's like this twin flame's wanting to come in here for a good time, not a long time, get what they want and leave again. It'll be the same scenario, stab you in the back and away they go. Because there's no accountability here. There's no accountability here. Four of Swords. I think you've come to some sort of realization about this. Five of Wands and the Hermit. It's like you've done your healing work here. You've gone within, and you realize here this is the case. If this person doesn't level up, it doesn't mean that I don't get my happy ever after here. There will be somebody else. The universe will supply someone else who is worthy here. So it's like you're not worried here. 7 Pentacles. You're just not going to waste your time investing into somebody who doesn't want to invest into you. Death card here. There's a rebirth of you here. Knight of Cups. 2 of Cups. At one stage here, you and this twin flame were on the same page. It was probably a very like lustful relationship, but now it's like you're not. 3 of Swords here. It's like you're not, that's not, there's so much more. to it than the physical here. You know, there has to be so many other boxes ticked here. And like you see this person's not capable of it. They are not well balanced. But this heartache left you balanced here. You now see things can be different. So you've leveled up from it. Six of Swords. But like when you left, they didn't. Like they're still as burdened. Like you moved forward here and done your healing work and looked at yourself. And you're now ready for a new relationship here. The right person. This past person hasn't changed one bit. They are still the same, still stuck in probably still wearing the same clothes, everything. It's like nothing, time stood still there. Like nothing has changed. Everything's exactly the same. You know what I mean? Nothing's changed. They haven't tried anything. Let's get one of these for the collective. What do they need to know here? What do they need to know? What's this? Blessings. Blessings. I think that's how you're seeing this now. Like a blessing in disguise. At one stage, this broke your heart, but now you've done enough healing to say, like, this was the best thing that could have happened because you were with somebody who wasn't in their full power, standing in their highest frequency here. This person, like, I just feel this person's really going to be run through the mud here before they have the actual, like, wake up of, like, I need to do some work here on myself. Page 40, another 4 here. When you desire someone else to experience the world through the sacred eyes of sanctity, honour, and gratitude, then you offer them a great blessing. This is a wonderful way to work with the pure energies of the universe and to attract to attract a mass of abundance in your life. Remember that everything you send out comes back to you threefold. So open yourself up to receive great blessings from your guides, angels, and great masters. As you say prayers for the world, dedicate candles, partake in yoga, and read spiritual books, chant and burn incense as you raise your vibration and truly light up your life and ultimately the world. Magical meanings. Count your blessings. Give thanks for all the good in your life. The approval you seek is given. A dream comes true. A kind act brings great blessings. I feel this is part of this twin flames issue. It's like they blame everybody else. There's a stuckness here on like how their mindset is, and it's like they blame other people. They don't see. There's no accountability here. They don't see things like, everything that's happened to you, you see it now and you understand why it happened and you're looking at it as a blessing. Well, this tower might have happened, but it actually got me out of a situation that was not right for me. This person doesn't see that. I'm going to take this to extended. If you want to come along, the link will be below. I'm going to take a look and see what we don't see coming, what the blockages are and what the outcome looks like, and then I'll get some angelic advice. So if you want to come along, the link's below.